watching the News Hour at 9.
It can't be clearer than this. UPA is history. This is what Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister of West Bengal, has asserted for the first time, directly dethroning the Congress as the principal challenger to the BJP. In fact, she went a step further, not just questioning the relevance of Gandhis, but their very existence in Indian politics. She asserted that part-time politicians can't run the nation from foreign vacations with a direct jibe at Rahul Gandhi. It is equally significant to note that this declaration of a Congress-Mukt opposition was made in the presence of Sharad Pawar, an ideological ally of the Congress party, and they run together a government in Maharashtra who seems to be eyeing greener pastures. Listen in to Mamata Banerjee's call to unite regional satraps against the BJP as well as the Congress.
शरद जी सबसे सीनियर नेता है यूपीए के। आपको लगता है कि शरद जी को अब यूपीए का नेतृत्व करना चाहिए, चेयरमैन बनाना चाहिए?
अरे क्या यूपीए, अभी यूपीए नहीं है। यूपीए क्या है? क्या करेगा बैठ के? हमको क्या है इधर उधर जाने के लिए? हम इसी घूमने की कोशिश किया कि अगर हम जाएंगे तो हमारे साथ से ये लोग भी जाएगा, एक कंपटीशन बनेगा। दूसरी बात यह है, अगर कोई कुछ करते ही नहीं है, आधा टाइम आप विदेश में रहो, तो पॉलिटिक्स कैसे होगा? पॉलिटिक्स में आपको कंटिन्यूअस एंडेवर देना चाहिए, और इसमें हम फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर का पॉक्स में है। आई वांट दैट फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, and it is better all the regional parties if we can work together. Regional party build up the national party. If all the regional parties are together, it is a very easy game to defeat the BJP.
And that sent the Congress party scampering for cover. Listen in to what the Congress had to say.
Everybody know the reality of the Indian politics. Without Congress, anybody can defeat BJP means. I think that is not nearly a dream only.
So the legitimate question tonight is, does nobody want Congress ka saath? That's the question and the debate. UPA khela khatam. That's the hashtag and the debate coming up.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
And joining the debate is Pritpal Singh Baliawal, spokesperson of the Congress party. Also with me is Sushmita Deb, member of parliament and spokesperson of the Trinamool Congress, who joins Gaurav Bhatia on this debate. Sushmita Deb, the Congress party's defense is that there cannot be a united opposition without the Congress party, and without the Congress party, you cannot defeat the BJP. That is their response to Mamata Banerjee's Congress Mukt opposition. How do you respond to that?
You see, Congress is in a direct fight with the BJP in around 150 to 200 seats in India. Now, that is a reality. I cannot move away from that. But the fact is, that is the problem. And that's why Prime Minister Modi and BJP keeps winning. And that's where we need an alternative. So when Mamata Ji said that where is the UPA, you cannot keep hobnobbing with 5 or 6 parties. Today you need to look at Jagan Reddy. Today you need to look at TRS. Today you need to look at Naveen Patnaik. Today you need to look at Mayawati, people who are not necessarily in the UPA but can be instrumental in defeating the BJP, even if they are regional satraps. And I think that's the spirit of what she said. Congress takes pride in its vote share, second largest in the country. I can't deny that. Congress takes pride of the fact that in states like Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, they are in the fight with BJP or BJP allies. But the fact that they can't convert it into victory is the problem. That's why Prime Minister Modi and BJP continues, and they need to think about that. And it's time to reposition the alliances so that we can put up a better fight to stop the communal and divisive and anti-India politics of the BJP, and I think she's absolutely right in saying that.
Mr. Pritpal Singh Baliawal, Sushmita Dev was with the Congress party, has left and joined the Trinamool because she doesn't see a future in the Congress party. In the last 7.5 years, the Congress has lost 47 out of the 52 elections of various kinds that have taken place. 47 out of 52, which means only 5 elections have been won by the Congress party. And as Mamata Banerjee said, politics is not a part-time job. Mr. Rahul Gandhi, even his party men don't know where he is and when he will be back and how he operates. People talk about seeking appointments, not getting them for weeks on end. That's not the way politics can be run. And therefore, the opposition is looking. And when she said this, right under the nose of Sharad Pawar, you know, there can't be a bigger snub, a bigger humiliation for the Congress than that. How is the Congress going to look at this entire situation? Will you move aside with some of your self-respect intact, or will you still stay in the way and wait for everybody to desert you?
देखिए नाविका जी, मैडम ममता जी थोड़े दिन पहले नरेंद्र मोदी जी से मिले थे, मोदी जी से मिले थे वो, तो मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा और वो सुर मिल गया लग रहा है मुझे, और आज उसी अकॉर्डिंगली वो आगे चल पड़ी हैं कांग्रेस के लिए। जो हमारे वीनू गोपाल जी ने कहा, बिना कांग्रेस के ऐसी चीजें सोची भी नहीं जा सकती, तो ममता जी वही सोच रही है। और शरद पवार जी के साथ खड़े हो और ऐसी बात करनी अच्छी नहीं लगती, जहाँ पे हम तमिलनाडु चले जाएं पर होने वाला
बैड ऑडियो, विल ट्राई एंड कनेक्ट दैट ऑडियो। वाईफाई सही नहीं है शायद जहां आप पंजाब में हैं, बट सुष्मिता देव, ही इज ऑलमोस्ट हिंटिंग एज इफ you have a truck with the BJP and that's why Mamata Banerjee met the Prime Minister. Now that's an allegation coming from the Congress to the Trinamool Congress. कौन है सही कांग्रेस?
Every chief minister has the right to meet the prime minister. I think it's a very nice statement coming from the gentleman from the Congress. I mean, she's the chief minister. If she's not going to meet the prime minister, well, I mean, anyway, be that as it may. And let me tell you something. If there's one chief minister in this country who's decisively beaten the BJP for the third time, it is Mamata Banerjee in West Bengal. I mean, you saw, Navika, yourself, the kind of electoral strategy that the BJP unleashed in the West Bengal. You know, every minister, every member of parliament, election commission, central forces, everything. But she decisively defeated the BJP. So if Congress has believes that Mamata is trying to help BJP, I think it's not only a foolish statement, I think it's ignorant. I mean, you can't say that. Mamata has got the traction she has today is because she defeated the BJP. So I think that argument extended by the Congress spokesperson falls flat on its face. And she has met everybody who's a regional satrap and has regional traction and is in some position of power.
But does she seem to be in a hurry to get the equations right for 2024? The battle hasn't even begun. Gaurav Bhatia, does Mamata Banerjee seem to be in a hurry?
Navika, for a change, I would say what Mamata Banerjee has said today, even I agree and every Indian agrees. Politics cannot be a part-time job that is being done by the Gandhi Parivar. And imagine Sharad Pawar ji being part of the Mahavikas Aghadi, and Mamata Banerjee could say the reality and the facts. She said UPA is no more, and I think she's absolutely right. And I would also like to say that even Sharad Pawar, देखिए क्या कहा था उन्होंने, कांग्रेस जो है एक कमजोर जमींदार की तरह है. This is a few days back. Why was it said? Because everyone knows today Congress lacks the leadership, the vision and a purpose to be a constructive opposition party. But to my friend Sushmita, I would say she looks so relaxed now in the TMC. And I remember Mamata Banerjee saying that muscle power, money power is being used to win over the MLAs of TMC. Today, with Pawan Verma, Kirti Azad, Ashok Tanwar and Sushmita Dev ji joining the TMC, बहना मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कोई मसल पावर और मनी पावर तो नहीं है ना, होगा नहीं वैसे. एंड फॉर राहुल गांधी आई वुड ओनली से वन थिंग, टूट गया है कांग्रेस के सत्ता का झूला, फिर भी राहुल गांधी घूमे फूला फूला. There is nothing left in the Congress, but they can't come to terms with reality.
Well, clearly,
that Congress has lost
a reality
its touch
check
with
for the
people.
Congress party. You know, everywhere, everybody has to deliver. With position comes responsibility, and with responsibility comes accountability. The question is, you, me, all of us who work and do jobs, at the end of the day, have to account for our performance. And everything, every incentive in life is actually linked to your performance. That's how the world works. Does Mr. Gandhi even know about this PLI, performance linked incentive, that normal people have to depend on? That's the big question. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same place.